This ought to be quick. If you're 100 meters away from a building and look up to the top at an angle of elevation of 36 degrees, how tall is the building? Okay, so that's 100, that's 36 degrees, that's x, so, well, it's drawn for you, just label it, OHA. Using O to get A, so that means I'm going to do tan 36 degrees equals O over A, which is x over 100. X is on top, so I multiply that up. So we get 100 times the tan of 36 degrees equals x. And I get 72.65. All right, looks good. Therefore, make sure you have therefore statements when you have word problems. Therefore, the building is 72.
Ms. Putnam, please contact the office. Ms. Putnam.
Let's round it to 73 meters tall. Okay, next one. A ramp is 3 meters long and 0.8 meters high. I don't know about the wording of this. I would say if the ramp is 3 meters long, that should be along the ramp. I guess the ramp has a horizontal distance of 3. Whatever. Anyways, I'm going with what they've drawn here. So they've labeled it with this. That is my theta. What is the angle of inclination of the ramp? That is the angle there. So label it with O, H, and A. It tells me to use tan of theta.
Attention all student council members. All student council members, please meet in the cafeteria. All student council members, please meet in the cafeteria.
Okay, so, sorry about that. O over A is tan, so tan theta equals 0.8 over 3. Use the inverse to find the angle. So remember, punch in 0.8, divide by 3, and then hit your shift to N. If you're not sure how to punch this stuff in, so I'm taking 14.9, I'm going to round it to 15. If you're not sure how to punch these things in, go look at the calculator videos. Therefore, the ramp is inclined at that's brutal, is inclined at 15 degrees. Okay, next one, ladder question. Ladder is reaching 4 meters up the wall and meeting the wall at an angle of 18 degrees. Okay, so it's meeting the wall, so that is up here at 18 degrees. A ladder is reaching 4 meters up a wall, so that means that this is 4. It's 4 meters up the wall. It doesn't tell you how long is the ladder. Actually, it wants to know how long the ladder is. So for A, how long is the ladder? Put an X there. And from that angle 18, label with O, H, and A. So this is using cos. So this is for A. The cos of 18 degrees equals 4 over x. X is on bottom. These things switch. X equals 4 over cos 18, and you divide that. And x equals 4.2. Therefore, the ladder is 4.2 meters. Well, long, tall, whatever. B. How far from the wall is the foot of the ladder? Okay, so now that I have that being 4.2, I'm going to use Pythagorean theorem here. So
Owen Brown, please go to room 122. Owen Brown to room 122. Okay.
So we'll call that y squared equals 4.2 squared minus 4 squared. I've got to subtract because I want the smaller side. Equals 1.64, but that's still y squared. I still have to take the square root of that. So the root of that answer is y equals 1.28. Therefore, ladder is 1.28 meters from base of the wall. Cool. C. What is the angle between the ladder and the ground? Okay, these are the easy ones. So the angle over here is just going to be 90 degrees minus 18 degrees, which is 72 degrees. And now that only works because I know that this is 90. So because I know this is 90, I do 180 minus 90. And these two leave me with 90. So then 90 minus 18 tells me what that has to be. So 72 is our angle there. D, what is the angle between the wall and the ground? Well, that angle is 90 degrees. That's how we can do all the SohCahToa stuff, because we got a 90 degree angle. I guess I should have said therefore, blah, 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 72 degrees.